2025 Ram 1500 Rev is a powerhouse EV truck with up to 500 miles of range, 14,000 pounds of towing. Are you sure, Will? Are you sure? Coming in 2027.
That's what they like to say.
I know.
Of course, they max out the specs.
Oh, yeah. They're like, wait, it's like way in the future? Let's max the specs and say, well, we tried. Max the specs. Ram finally revealed the details of its long-awaited first electric pickup truck, the Ram 1500 Rev. The electric truck will rival the F-150 Lightning, Chevy Silverado EV. Our Ram, this is their quote, our Ram 1500 will outperform all competitors on the attributes customers care about most: range, tow, payload, and charge time. Ours will be the best when it eventually comes out.
Yeah, when is it going to come out?
Well, they're saying 2025, a model year. So what does that really mean? You can't even get a Rivian right now. I started getting interested in Rivians. I'm like, let me go check what the... They're like, maybe.
Maybe forever.
You go to their website, like as a interested individual, they're like, nah.
How much is the deposit?
No, it's not a big deposit. It's just... It's been out forever, and they still can't build it.
I heard that they're making, like, not a lot. Like
I know. They say I can't make it. That's where Elon's over there laughing because he's like, I know how to make things now. Lots of them. Because you go look at the delivery dates on Teslas. Now, obviously, he's super delayed on the Cybertruck, but once it gets rolling, you kind of believe he can build it.
High efficiency.
Not him
once it's done.
Individually, but they got an entire... enormous plant over there dedicated to it. You just feel like once that baby starts rolling, it might be rolling. You get that feeling.
Yeah.
Anyway, I hope it's as good as they say it is. It's just so hard to make these claims about being the best in each category because you're so far out that these other companies are going to be on V2 or V3 by then.
Yeah.
And then who knows what specs you're trying to beat. But towing is a huge consideration for people. They claim it's going to tow better, 14,000 pounds.
That's insane.
The standard battery pack, 168 kilowatt hours, targeted for 350 miles, and then also a 229 kilowatt hour battery pack targeted at 500 miles, 654 horsepower, 0 to 16, 4.4. I mean, it's all good, really exciting stuff.
It's all good. It can't be bad.
It's all good.
You know?
It's all good. But listen, it's still not as cool looking as the original concept vehicle. They're taking the F-150 approach of it basically still mostly looking like the regular gas-powered vehicle with a slightly different headlight configuration and tail configuration. I just hope they're able to pull it off in a timely fashion.
Yeah, good luck.
No, I'm not saying Rivians aren't out there. Of course, they're out there. They exist. I'm just saying that if you, as a customer, you go to try to buy one right now, it is not. I don't remember what the language was, what it said. It says something like, register your interest. And you're like, man, you guys are out on the road. This is a real car people can buy, is it not? So you go reserve. And it says deliveries for new reservations are expected to begin in 2024. It doesn't even say will deliver in 2024. Expected 2024.
Yeah.
So you're like, okay, that could easily turn into 2025. The way you're phrasing it.
Yeah, they made 9,300 Rivians in the first quarter, which is so minuscule compared to Tesla.
Yeah.
Tesla does this in like 2 weeks.
Hey, easy, Will. You sound like a fanboy right now.
Yeah, making stuff is hard.
In defense of Rivian, though, Tesla all their models have been kind of like they're old, and not old in the sense like they're the current model year. But like if I want to go order an S or an X or whatever it is, they kind of fine tuned how to produce that at scale. Same with Y or 3. This is still a pretty new car, and an entirely new company. So that's why I'm giving them a little bit of a break on that. And it seems like the truck and the SUV are good. It's just Yeah, they're going to be hard to come by for a long time, it seems like.
Yeah.
On the other hand, Lightnings seem like they're out there, a lot of them. F-150 Lightnings.
Yeah, they're producing them.
Seem like you can get those. This clip you just watched is sponsored by LaterCase. If you have been looking for an impossibly thin case to put on your brand new smartphone, you need to check out LaterCase, available for both Android and iPhone. Check the description of this clip in order to get a special offer.